Hi, I'm Cassie Maurice, and I was lead of the Dr. Quack um, Golden Getaway, which is a little webisode. It's quirky, it's funny. It does have a little bit of our product in it, which is Blast Off, and that was the big reason why we did it, which is one of the first questions. What was the inspiration of the project? Well, the project was the inspiration of the Blast Off, which is a product launch software that we have. It was not like in your face, always, look at this software. It was integrated organically and showing how easy it is to use on any certain project that you're on. It doesn't mean it has to be a product launch. It could be anything, which it goes by the GHOST, which it stands for goals, objectives, strategies, tactics, and task. So if you go down that aisle or down that road, it will help you strategize how to get through the project. And it says, can you describe the role of team collaboration in the project success? Well, it took a whole team to get through this successfully. I stepped out of my comfort zone, which I have a talented team behind me that was supporting me through all of it. So I've learned so many skills with this project. And I know that's one of the other questions is, has this experience prompted you to step outside your comfort zone? Well, yes. I didn't know anything about video editing. I didn't know anything about audio, production, music, sound effects. The only thing I really knew about was AI prompt engineering and designing. And so I stepped out of my comfort zone and I successfully made a project that I am proud of. And I hope everybody else enjoys it too. And how do you think this could benefit other professionals? Other professionals need to step out of their comfort zone for this reason. You never know what skills you have if you don't try them. And learn. Learning is growth. You want to grow with your team or in your responsibilities, you have to step out of your comfort zone to do that. And it says, how do you feel your role in this project has impacted your professional development? Well, with learning all of those skills, it's made me more confident in who I am as a marketer and knowing that I have a team that is behind me and to always lean on my team to know that they have my back. And it's okay to have stumbling points. That's normal. It's getting through that and getting past that and successfully getting that project done. So this has been my baby and I am really proud to be a part of it. Now, if you guys have any other questions, you can always reach out to us to ask. This video is on YouTube. And like I said, it's Dr. Quack's Golden Getaway. There are 3 acts, so make sure you do all 3. There is a rap song we did with it, and then we also are going to have a second episode, which please stay tuned. And just a FYI, at the end of the credit scenes on Act 3, watch it all the way through the credits. There is a secret scene in there, so definitely watch for that. So, like I said, if you guys have any more questions, please reach out to us through YouTube questions or TikTok, anything. So just get a hold of us. It's Rsquare Media. And if you need help with a project like this, then you need to get a hold of Rsquare Media too. And our number is 646-249-3561. Thank you.